So this will be a hot water durability test between the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus versus the iPhone XS Max. Now these phones are IP68 water and dust resistant. So I just recently did a freeze test on these two phones and they survived that just fine. But how will they do if the temperature goes the other way? Really hot. So let's find out. So as you can see, I have both phones here. And I have my hot water here. Go ahead and turn on the kettle. So that's gonna take a few minutes. And while it's doing that, let's have a look at the phones. Galaxy S10 Plus, as you can see, in its full glory. Very beautiful device. The build quality on this thing is fantastic. Symmetrical curve on the glass, metal frame, beautiful. Look at that. Ceramic back, I love it. iPhone XS Max, very similar build. Gorilla Glass front and back, metal frame, as you can see. Turn on the screen. As you can see. Perfectly functional phone. And then the S10. So you can see, Nova launcher, etc. Sick wallpaper too. Love it. Alright, so I'm just gonna wait till the water boils. And then I do have my cold water here to let the devices cool down. So, and this is my Note 9, as you can see. We'll use that to keep track of time. So yeah, I'm just gonna let the water do its thing. I'll see you in a few minutes. There we go. Water is now boiling. Let's have a quick peek. Ooh, look at that. Nice and warm. Woo! Oh man, I feel bad for these phones. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna grab my Note 9 and let's just pull up the timer. All right, so how am I gonna do this? There's the clock. There are the phones. That's my hot water. So I'm just gonna do this real quick. We're gonna go for about 3 minutes in the hot water. So I'm gonna go like that and then take this and start pouring. Oh man. Ooh, baby. All right. Now look at the S10. See some bubbles coming out of the what seems to be like the camera module. Oh man, I don't know, that's not a good sign. And the XS Max, there's also some bubbles coming out of the XS Max. What looks to be like, oh, there goes my lens, nice and foggy. Looks like the power button. Generally not a good sign. So let's go ahead and flip these over. And what are the screens doing? We are a minute into the test. Let's flip these guys over. Whoa. And also both of these phones do have Whitestone Dome glass. So I want to see how durable the Whitestone Dome is under a warm temperature. Got some hot water on my Note. Did not want that to happen, but it's all right. It's IP68 water resistant as well. So it's all good. Actually, let me get that off. I don't want any water on my Note 9. There you go, nice and cleaned off. All right, back in it. Minute 45. Got another minute 10 remaining. Oh, all right, no warning set in the display. Now this might be, I don't know, I don't want to touch it. Let's just keep moving them around. Is my lens all fogged up now? Okay, I think we're good. All right. we are cooking phones today. For dinner later on tonight. Made to order. Here we go, another 30 seconds left, 31, 32, let's see, 234, 235, so about 20 more seconds. Then we'll take the phones out. Do. Phones well done. Okay, another 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. And we are done. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and take this out. Take this one off. Put it in the cooler liquid. Let that chill for like a minute. Do the same thing to the S10 Plus, and there you go. So it'll be very interesting to see how these will do. Okay, there's the clock. I'm gonna get this hot liquid off. And let me get this right here. All right. Kind of move this around. Whoa, I'm seeing some condensation in the camera lens. It's not a good sign. And it's the same thing happening. Ooh, look at the front-facing camera. Look at that. You can see it from here. Of the S10 Plus. Oh, that is not good. Not a good sign. Then we'll flip the phone over. Oh, look at that. Look at the 3 lenses. The wide angle telephoto and the regular lens. Oh man, that is not a good sign. Same thing on the iPhone too. Damn. Okay. Change apps to cool down phone. Okay. We're seeing some screens here. Okay, what's the iPhone say? Did the iPhone say anything? Temperature. iPhone needs to cool down before you can use it. Okay, we'll leave in the cooler liquid for a little bit longer. Both phones. Okay. All right. So how long has it been? It's been like almost 5 minutes now. Okay, so I took the phones out a little after 3 minutes. So they've been in here for about 2 minutes. Okay. It's giving me temperature warning. I'm gonna try to use the phones. I think it's long enough. Phones are pretty cool to the touch. Okay, let's check it out. Closing apps to cool down phone, click OK. Try the iPhone. All right, let's see. Let's take a look at the Whitestone. The Whitestone seems to be on there. I do not see any lifting of the protector. Let's check out the Whitestone on the iPhone XS Max. Same thing on this one. Now there is a little bit of lifting here, but that was already there when I installed it, so that's already been there. Other than that, looks like the Whitestone will pass this test. But what about the actual device? Let's see, iPhone. Temperature iPhone needs to cool down before you can use it. Okay, I cannot bypass this. Oh, it just turned off. That warning just turned off. I can start using the phone. Very nice. Okay, and then the Galaxy. Put my fingerprint in. Hold on, let me do my thumb. Had a little bit more success with this one. And nope. 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 I'm telling you, this ultrasonic scanner is a hit or miss. There are some days where it works pretty much 100% of the time. There are other times during the day, like right now, it works none of the time. So you can see. So I don't know. For me, this scanner has been very temperamental. Has a good days and its bad days. All right, so both phones are working right now, so you can see. Temperature warnings have gone away. And just going through the app drawer, screen seems to be functional. So you can see. Okay, so now let's go ahead and test out the cameras since I am seeing condensation. We'll flip the iPhone over so you can see. Oh, actually, it's gone. Look at that, it's no longer, nice, okay. No more condensation. What about the S10 Plus? Oh, okay. So looks like the main lens still has a little bit of condensation left. However, the other two evaporated, it's gone. All right, interesting. So I think give it a little bit more time. The middle lens, that will clear up also. But let's do a quick test right now. Test out the cameras of these devices real quick. We'll open the camera. And this one is the middle lens. As you can see, very foggy. I'll take a picture of this. I'll put this in the video too. Let me know the quality. But I think you can see through the camera in the video that it's very foggy. And this is the telephoto. Same thing with the telephoto. Take a picture of that. And then wide angle. Ooh, wide angle is clear. Nice. Take a picture of this. Let me know in the comments. And real quick, a video. Okay, record. So this is a video of the S10 Plus right after the hot water test. Let me know of the audio quality and also the video quality. Peace out. I'll put that in the video also. Let me know of the quality. Go back to photo, and then I'm gonna go to the middle lens again, your standard lens, and it's still foggy still. Same thing with the 2x zoom, and the wide angle is pretty much has cleared up. Maybe a little bit of condensation right there on the upper left, upper right. But other than that, I think if we give this phone time to dry, it's going to clear up. Let's take a look at the back. And okay, there's some condensation that started to build up again. But I think give it some time, I think that's gonna clear up. But as of right now, still a little bit foggy. Okay, let's test out the iPhone. And iPhone looks clear. We'll open the cameras on the iPhone. So this one is the 1X, and then it's clear. Wow. Take a shot of that. 2X. Shot. There you go. And record a quick clip. This is a test of the iPhone XS Max video right after the hot water test. Let me know if the video and audio quality. Late. I'll put that in the video too. Let me know. But it seems like between these two, I have to give the edge to the XS Max. Camera lens is crystal clear. With that said, I truly believe that give this time to dry out. This will clear up and it'll be functional again. And as you can see on the third lens here, it's already starting to clear up again. So very nice. And then one more thing, let's test out the speaker performance of the phone. See, we're gonna go to YouTube right now on the max volume, and it's very tinny. Very low volume. I can barely hear it. I'm gonna pause it, give it a shake, fling the water out, see what happens. Okay, and let's play that again. Okay, as you can see, max volume, and I can barely hear the speaker. All right, so the speaker is I'm gonna have to fail the speaker. Cameras, pass, but the speakers are a fail. So that's the iPhone XS Max. We'll do the same thing to the Galaxy S10 Plus. Real quick test. Let's see. Just do it like this. And then, there we go. Max volume. And it's much louder than the iPhone XS Max. It's still very low compared to the stock, not compromised speaker, but louder than the iPhone. Let me stop it. Let me shake the phone. See if I can fling the water out of the speaker ports, etc. Okay. I'm gonna turn that on again and let's go. Much louder. As you can see. So I'm gonna have to give the speaker a pass on the Galaxy S10 Plus, and then the cameras, unfortunately, there's still condensation in it. So I'm gonna have to fail the cameras on the S10 Plus, and then overall functionality of the phone, give that a pass. Whitestone dome glass, still on the phone, no lifting, pass on that as well. iPhone XS Max, I'm gonna pass the camera since it's still pretty much have cleared up, no condensation or very little condensation on the lens. So pass on the cameras, I'll pass it, and then speaker performance, we'll give that a fail since it did not work anymore. Pretty much, it's very low volume. We'll play that again right now. Give it a chance. Yeah, very low volume, as you can see in its max volume. So I'm gonna have to fail the speakers. Functionality of the phone, screen's working, etc. So I'm gonna give that a pass. And also the Whitestone dome glass, give that a pass also. No lifting of the protector. All right, so let me know your thoughts of this test in the comments down below. Hot water test. Thanks for watching. Peace out. So this is a video of the S10 Plus right after the hot water test. Let me know of the audio quality and also the video quality. Peace out.